Welcome to my channel Maths Pursuit. Today we will look into the questions from the chapter called Quadratic Equations. Hello friends, may I request you to please click on the subscribe button below this video. The given question is find two consecutive numbers whose squares have the sum 85. Guys, these questions are really super easy because this is a simple one-line statement and we need to just follow the question and we need to answer. Now let us see how we can solve this question. As per the question is saying that there are two consecutive numbers whose squares have the sum 85. Just that's all they have given. Now we do not know the consecutive numbers, so let us assume. So what we'll do, let us assume one consecutive number to be x. Let one number is equal to x. Guys, these are consecutive numbers. For example, if one number is 5, the other number is 6. That means we are adding just 1 to the first number, 5. We are getting 6. Similarly, if one number is x, then the other number will be, guys, if one number is x, then the other number definitely will be, you are right, x plus 1. So these are the two consecutive numbers, and as per the question, what the question is telling, these two consecutive numbers whose squares have the sum 85. That means the sum of the squares of this is equal to 85. That means what I can do, x to the power 2 plus x plus 1 square, that is equal to 85. This is what being given in the question, guys. This is, and I believe once you get this, definitely we people can solve this and we can get our numbers. So let us solve this one. So what I can write, x to the power 2 is nothing but x to the power 2 plus x plus 1 whole square. X plus 1 whole square is nothing but a square plus 2ab plus b square, a square plus 2x plus 1 is equal to 85. Or I can write this one as 2x square plus 2x plus 1 minus 85 is equal to 0. Hope guys we are pretty clear till here. Just I solved this one and I brought 85 from right side to the left side. Now guys, let me further solve this. So I am getting 2x to the power 2 plus 2x minus 84 is equal to 0. Or taking 2 common out, x to the power 2 plus x minus 42 is equal to 0. Hope guys you are understanding. Or x to the power 2 plus x minus 42 is equal to 0 upon 2. Guys, 0 upon 2 we know it is 0. So in the next step I'm going to make it 0 and we are going to get a good quadratic equation. So I can write here now, or x to the power 2 plus x minus 42 is equal to 0. Guys, these type of questions are coming in the exam. These questions just I picked up for the exam purpose only, or this came already in the previous exams. So now let us solve this question and let's see what we are getting. So let me use here the quadratic formula because I'm quite comfortable with the quadratic formula method. So I always prefer to use quadratic formula. Let me use the quadratic formula here. If you people are comfortable with factorization method, please go ahead, or you can also even move ahead with the completing the square method. Now quadratic formula is given by x is equal to minus b plus or minus root over of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So this is what the quadratic formula is. Now let us derive a, b, c from the quadratic equation that we got, x to the power 2 plus x minus 42 is equal to 0. So from this equation I can tell a is equal to 1, b is equal to 1 and c is equal to minus 42. You are right, c is equal to minus 42. So let us find out the value for b square minus 4ac. b square, so b value is 1 square minus 4, and the a value is 1 and c value is minus 42. Now let us further solve this equation and see what we are going to get for this. So I can write, or b square minus 4ac is equal to 1 minus 4 into minus 42, it became plus 84. Sorry, 4 to the 8, 4 4 the 16. We got 168, or b square minus 4ac is equal to 169. Guys, we got the value for b square minus 4ac is equal to 169. Now let us put these values in our quadratic formula and try to extract the values for x. So I can write x is equal to minus b. So minus, and b value that we got is 1, minus 1 plus or minus root over of 169, because b square minus 4ac we got 169 upon 2 into 1. The value for a is 1. Or I can write x is equal to minus 1. I can write x is equal to minus 1 plus or minus 13. The root over of 69 is nothing but 13 upon 2. Now I can get two values of x from the above equation. So I can write x is equal to minus 1 plus 13 upon 2, and the other value for x will be x is equal to minus 1 minus 13 upon 2. Or x is equal to 12 upon 2, and here x is equal to minus 14 upon 2. So guys, these are the two values I'm going to get for x. Now let us see. So, or I can write in the next step x is equal to 6, and here x is equal to minus 7. So guys, you could see that we got two values for x. One, x is equal to 6, and the other one is x is equal to minus 7. So as per the question, there are two consecutive numbers. So let's check our answer and see what exactly we are getting. Now we got two values for x. So let's see. If consecutive numbers, guys, if one value is 6, so when x is equal to 6, the other value will be, the other number is equal to 6 plus 1, that is equal to 7. When x is equal to minus 7, the other number will be minus 7 plus 1, that is equal to minus 6. So guys, you could see that I am able to extract the two values or the two consecutive numbers for x. Two consecutive numbers as per the question, whose square will give 25. That means my two numbers are, you could see that my two numbers are, here one is 6 and the other one is 7. Similarly, here one is minus 7 and the other one is minus 6. Hope guys you understood this calculation or this process. This is very simple and very straightforward one. Just we need to follow the question and we need to move ahead. But guys, if you still have any questions or concerns, please reach out to me in the comment section of this video. Definitely I will get back to you once I see your comments. Guys, if you really like my videos, please subscribe.
If you really like my videos, I would request you to kindly subscribe and also let your friends know. This will motivate me to create similar videos in the future. Thank you. Bye.